Before you educate the head, try to educate the heart.
Hey guys, looking super filthy. So sorry about that. I slept around 3 hours, 2 hours, so not bad. That's actually a lot of sleep considering that this is due today. I've done like 6 pages, just have to do 9 more pages, and I think I can get that done in time, so it is all good in the hood. I have until 11:59 tonight. It is 8:28 a.m, so gotta get moving. Got it in 10 minutes before the due date. I mean, before the due time. Oh, I almost had a heart attack. Oh my gosh.
Again, it's not everything wasn't bad, but those are the things that we went through, and that was normal. And I think it just comes from a place of ignorance and people just not knowing anything. I went through this where they like pull your eyes back kind of thing.
Okay.
And then they do. Remember I talked about this, like, are you Chinese, Japanese, or Swiss cheese? I'm like, what?
Why would I be Swiss cheese? Does that even make sense?
That doesn't even make sense, bro.
Okay.
So I've done everything but the zips and the hem now. I kind of ran into some problems with the zips, so I'm just going to do that on Tuesday. I'm just annoyed because I thought I would have finished the garment today, but no, obviously it takes much longer than you planned, so I'm just gonna go home now because I feel really defeated. I just wanted to do an update. I'm currently working on a jacket and I went to cut out the final fabric and realized I lost the front and the hood pattern of the jacket, so basically I lost half my jacket patterns. So I'm trying to do the back first and then I'll figure out the front later. It's currently 11:21 p.m. I don't think we're gonna leave until the AM, so
Okay, cool. Alright, so, what's the problem now? It's like still like snapping and lagging and stuff, yeah?
yeah, maybe the tension's too tight. Maybe I should loosen it a bit.
Like, hold the string, like that, yeah, and just let go of the bobbin. Yeah, let go, yeah. Yo, that's really loose. Like, it's such a small thing, but like, from sewing, I just found like sometimes that's the reason why.
Oh, that's working much better.
Yeah?
Yeah, thanks for your help.
It's alright, it's all good. Keep your chin up, you can do it.
So it is 2:17 a.m. I got home an hour ago and I'm just trying to do some digital work now. You're actually not allowed to be here, but that's alright.
So stressed. Wait, are you filming already?
Love being in studio with my bestie.
Like the high school days, the good old days.
I know. Dude, and what a surprise. Like, I'm the only one in here. Like, is that a surprise to you? Like, oh my gosh, but it's so good to see you. You literally giving me energy. Okay, but seriously, like, I'm always the last person here. Today I slept in because I went home at 3:30, so today I came here around like 1. I think it's also because I'm perfectionist, so I'm always here last.
But that's a good thing.
Not really when you have a time frame. But like others will have 6 final looks and I'm here with 3.
That's okay though. You could have like 3 perfect ones and 2 shit ones. It's all about balance.
Heyo guys, yeah, it's 4:12 a.m. I just came home 10 minutes ago and I'm getting ready to go to bed, but I need to finish my presentation slides before I go to bed. I have to go back to studio to present in less than 5 hours, so I think I'm going to try and get like 2 hours of sleep. I had my second panel. I obviously didn't have enough stuff to show. We were supposed to have 50% of our collection done. I am not gonna lie, I think I only have 20% of my collection done. It's the halfway mark. So I have a lot of work to do in the next 6 weeks, 7 weeks. I think I'm gonna aim to do 5 outfits in total. I would love to push for 6, but that is being really ambitious, so we'll just see how I go.
She don't want roses to bloom. She's so bulletproof with those eyes.